Hey everybody, welcome to Drunken Sailor Cocktails. I'm Bill, and today we're taking a stroll down memory lane. The first week of August every year in Jersey City, there's a festival going on, the Festa Italiana, which it's held by the Holy Rosary Church in Jersey City, and it's amazing. There's great Italian food, there's sausage, there's peppers, there's cannolis, there's zeppoles, there's pizza, there's, you name it, it's there. But one of my favorite things there is a little tasty Italian treat called Affogato. The Affogato is an espresso drink with gelato and a little bit of liqueur in it. And that's what we're gonna make today. So grab a seat at the bar and join me as we make the Affogato. Let's get pouring. Super simple to make. We're gonna build it in the glass. It's gonna go into the glass and we're gonna put a scoop of gelato in there. And today I'm using a nice vanilla bean and we'll put one in there. Oh heck, it's gelato, it's good for you. We'll put 2 scoops in there. And now, if you join me downstairs at the coffee bar, we're gonna make some nice fresh espresso. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna start by freshly grinding our espresso beans. And now let's pour ourselves a double shot of fresh espresso. Well, here it is, our espresso. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna pour ourselves a double shot of espresso right on top of that gelato. This is the exception to the Italian rule that you only put milk products in your coffee in the morning. We can do this in the afternoon. Now we have one last step to that, and that is to take some Licor 43, nice vanilla notes to it, works really, really well with both the espresso and the gelato, and we're gonna put in there about an ounce. And there is today's cocktail, the Affogato. You're gonna want a spoon for this one. First one is a sip. It's delicious, it's rich, it's creamy, it's gelato. If you don't love this, I don't know what to tell you. Cheers, everybody. We'll see you at the next cocktail.